Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Suresh from his Automation channel. Today, let's discuss about how we can perform drag and drop using Selenium in Python coding language. Let me go to a sample website where we can do this action. So this is the website which is there in the Selenium application. I can provide the Git location where you can perform or practice more features which is offered by Selenium. So this is a drag and drop feature. So I can drag and drop here. So this is saying as dropped. So like this you can do. Now let me see how we can perform this via Selenium with Python coding language. Go back to PyCharm IDE. So we have to do two things. One is Selenium. We have to import WebDriver, and next thing is Selenium dot WebDriver dot commons dot actions. So this is action chains that we have to import. So two things done. Next thing is driver, a reference that I'm giving, which will be used to invoke my Chrome browser. So Chrome, right? After that, I will provide some waiting mechanism to synchronize. So driver dot timeout dot implicit wait. Then after that, driver dot maximize window. So these are the main things that you have to do. After that, let's open the website. So driver dot get. So get is the website URL that you have to provide in the get. So for that, I will copy this URL and store it in the get. So soon after that, we have to find two things. One is dragging, whichever element that we are dragging, that element ID we have to find, and after dragging, we have to drop it somewhere. So for that also, we have to find the two things, locators. So let me go back, and this is a draggable. Let me inspect and see if it has ID. So it has a draggable as an ID, and droppable is another ID for the droppable item. So I will copy this and go back to PyCharm. So draggable. So I will say element draggable equal to driver dot find element by dot id, and I have to provide this draggable, and this by I have to import from the Selenium commons. Then after another web element which is called element droppable equals to driver dot find element. It is also having id, so I will take id, and let me go back to browser, and here it is a droppable. So droppable is an item, right? So we got two web elements. Now next thing is an action chain that we need. So action chain, this is a driver reference that we need to provide, and to hold it, I will provide a reference called action equal to, there is nothing to do with this action. This is a main class which is action chain class. Then after using that reference called action dot drag and drop, right? Drag and drop. So drag and drop source to target. So there is a drag and drop by offset. So we will see that later, but right now it is a simple one, drag and drop, right? So first thing we have to provide is a element to be draggable and element to be droppable. So two things you have to take. Next thing is dot perform, right? Soon after that, when you do this action, there is an success message or a label that is printing on the page, right? So once I drag and drop, there is a called message called dropped. So for that, this is a text called dropped status, right? We will take that status and come back to PyCharm asset dot driver dot find element by dot id, and this is the id that I need to provide, and this should equals to a name called dropped. dropped, right? Okay, this is a action, not this is asset, not action, right? So we got this, and quickly right click and run this drag and drop feature, right? It is saved. So I think it's not the same text. We captured something different. Dropped is the text. So which text we got? Okay, and let me provide some time dot sleep for 5 seconds. Then after print message called execution done, right? Now again right click, run. Now you will see what it is doing, right? There is an message is coming up, assert message dropped. I think it's not same, but the asset is working, and it is showing as wrong. Maybe it has some spaces in that location, but as per our drag and drop, so if you see this action chains performed the drag and drop feature from source to the destination location and using this class. And this is a simple technique you can use to drag and drop within the website. And let me check back. So this is dropped, so this is dropped. I think we are taking the same thing, but maybe it is not the same. Let me do one thing. We can print this message also. We can print this entire message in the print statement to see whether it is correct or wrong. Okay, for that what we can do is we have to do one more print statement, and in this we will say, right? Okay, I have to do one thing. It is, we are missing text, so this is missing. Now it will work, I guess. Right, it is worked now because we forgot to extract the text from the web element. Right, it is worked. So hope you like this session. In case if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. In case if you have any questions, queries, you can post in my comment section and help you out. Thank you for watching.